Yeah, I legit cracked my motor mount all the way through.
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
You know it's about to be a real riding video when I literally start off the video already with the GoPro on. But we're going out riding, boys. It's that simple. 150 Tao down there. Gonna throw some gas in there. Grab a couple spare tools, aka an 8mm, a 10, a ratchet, some needle-nose pliers, and of course, hold on, and of course, the most important tool of all, zip ties, baby. I don't think I've ever filled up my moped without spilling it everywhere. I actually have not even rode this since I rebuilt it. Like, if you saw, I took it all apart and dialed the scooter back in because it's been just beat for the last couple years, and I haven't rode it since. So, little test run tonight. I also have lights now. Alright, we're out, boys. We're meeting the homie downtown, and yeah, I haven't rode the scooter on the street for a minute. We always just go to the stunt lot now, so feels kind of nuts, I'm not gonna lie. I need to upgrade my GoPro so bad. I still have a GoPro 4. So I already know right now, you guys can't see nothing. I already know it's pitch black. But we're out, boys. It feels so nice in Vegas now. No longer in that like 100+ degree weather. Almost made that turn. It's windy out here right now. That's sick. I think that thing just came down. My friends, the moped guys, the guys who love the mopeds. It's already tonight. What up, bro?
Oh, this thing's running so bad right now.
Really? Okay. Chuck over here running the reds. Down here. Alright, back on the boulevard over here, baby. Dude, I just gotta stay behind the two-stroke. This thing smells better than the air outside. Like that two-stroke gas just hits different, I'm telling y'all. This strip air smells like dumpsters.
Hey, when you really give it the beans on that, I can feel it in my chest, bro.
Really?
Yeah, it's about the same time.
Yeah, dude, look at my bike. My bike's like shaking. Oh my cops, bro. There's also been like a shooting on the strip every night for like, I think a little over a week now or something like that. Which is crazy, bro. Look at all these cops out here. Alright, let's see if we can do this without overflowing it. Oh man, already on the take. What? That didn't even count. That wasn't me that time. No thanks, thank you. I smell this dude's cologne from here. Oh man, there's someone in the back of this ambulance. Oh man. It's like, yeah, I know. She's like clawing at her own face. Woo! I was coming in hot. Can't make this turn. Oh. My license plate! Dude.
It was like...
Yeah, I legit cracked my motor mount all the way through.
Jesus.
That must have been that fat. Cause I did feel it. I thought my wheel like literally tacoed. Like I thought my wheel was flat. Yeah. My motor mount completely cracked. I don't know how well you can see that when I was just filming, but yeah, that happened. So we're calling it a night now, we're heading back. I'm cruising it back now, no more wheelies. I had to cruise the ped was dialed, but gotta fix that again. So hopefully next time we'll be out here. I'm on the two-stroke and we're getting things done. So until next time, boys, check the description, get yourself a MOPBOYZ sticker, support your boys out, support your boys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.